Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming your VGA source and the Hdtv HDMI input. This prevents resolution mismatch. Once confirmed, plug the VGA cable into the computer's VGA port and attach the adapter to that cable. Using an active adapter matters because it converts analog signals to digital. Next, connect the adapter's HDMI cable to the TV. Make sure the adapter's USB power is connected so the converter gets stable voltage. Without power, the image may be unstable. Once the physical connections are done, switch the TV to the HDMI input you used so you can see the feed. On your computer, open Display Settings and select Duplicate or Extend depending on your need. Set resolution to the Hdtv native resolution, typically 1920 by 1080, to avoid scaling artifacts. Also check refresh rate, set to the TV's supported rate. If you need sound, route audio through the adapter's 3.5 input or the computer's HDMI audio option and test playback. You finish by verifying a stable picture and synced audio. If everything looks good, save your display profile so settings persist. If the image is missing or flickers, first power cycle the TV and computer, then ensure the adapter's USB power is connected and the VGA pins are tight because loose pins cause signal loss. If problems persist, lower the resolution to 1280 by 720 and update graphics drivers. Switching to an active, powered adapter often resolves conversion failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.